So I am gonna using is really cool is gel painting. We just have a really awesome, I love this, is Precision brush gel painting. The viscosity a little bit thinner. It's not much thinner compared to our gel pot. It's really pigmented, which is I love. I'm gonna try to do my best unless Emily moving her fingers because she did it earlier. But it's okay, Emily. Thank you so much.
Can I leave?
You leave? Where are you gonna leave? You're gonna stay here with me.
Say hi to Yellow. Or Mexico. I think like Mexico.
Or Illy.
I know. I think
Hey, Sarah. Sarah there. I didn't see her. Okay. Who did I miss? I just want to say hi to Instagram, and that is really cool, and it's super easy, simple. And you know, like we have overwhelming with the clients all asking for a press on. So I think it's great because I think the clients didn't know that we can do it for them. But seeing we're posting it and we're sharing with them, they're like, oh my God, I want this, I want that. And here you go. And then the set start from $75. And it depends on how fancy your clients are. But we usually, I will share all the tip and trick tomorrow. And I'm excited about that. Okay, so then with this one, I am going to just cure it for only 15 seconds. Because I'm going to do some pigments on it. 15 seconds, Emily? Zia quilt kicking. Rave about nails. Have a good night. Take good care of yourself, okay? Yes, that's good though, Nuna. If like tomorrow can like have that content and then bring it up, and then we can look at Emily hit it. She just missed it right there.
You're gonna have to redo that.
She's a bad customer, clients. I'm a better customer.
Now you got whispering too.
Just a little bit, but I don't want to key it too much. The clients, the little junior clients, it's getting a little bit of
Not junior. Oh, you are junior.
okay.
Alright, don't touch anything.
There you go. Laugh out loud, rave about nails. Yes, definitely. We're gonna do it probably if you ladies want, we can do a live video a little bit earlier, like since we're gonna talking about press on nails and what type of press on nails it's gonna be in tomorrow. We can do it start at 8 o'clock. If you remember, we can do it 8 o'clock. And I have 4 different neon pigments. You can do anything, any pigments. And then this one you can mix with the gel polish to make it like a jelly look in neons, or you can do it mix with your powders. Just make sure the ratio is 1:3, which is 1 part of your pigments and 3 part of your colors, acrylic or the clear acrylics, because it's really pure pigment. So I'm not using can I see the other hands, Emily? Thank you. You don't like it? No. Isabella said, I don't like it.
Like it with the Louis Vuitton.
Oh, hold on. Oh, because she said it's take away from her Louis Vuittons.
You haven't had Louis Vuitton on. You have Gucci.
Somehow it's my brush. Get that? I have the leads on that. Sarah get really cool. She's had the brush too, and I don't know why I keep using the applicator. It's feeling like really old school, but I have it right on my side here. I think the brush is really cool though. Like short brush will be really nice ombre as well. Oh, live gonna be ending in 5 minutes? That's fast. Okay, I'll be right back.
We're gonna finish this finger, then we'll be back.
Okay. Thank you so much, Live Ass, for keep us posted. Okay. This one, we're gonna do that. Great. Pigment always charms by Charles. Pigment always smears on you. Did you using base? If you're using base, charms by Charles. If you're using a base on matte colors, usually it's gonna smear. But if you put on the top coat, it's not gonna smear on you. I promise. Took you clubbing today? Okay. So now we're gonna put some crystal placements on this one.
Can I show you first?
And
Two first.
let me get my unicorn brush. Does it up. And then I have my frames and charms right there. And a neon. I have one shape out from my anniversary kits. This is. I took one of this out from here, but then it's from my anniversary kit. I'm showing it, and then we're gonna be right back with the design. You think?
I didn't remember that.
Yeah, I have only 5 minutes, but I want to show you this. It's really cool. There's 20 different slots and then full size of your crystals in there. And I use one of the neon raindrop from here. So, wait. And it's come really nice luxury box for us. And I'm gonna using, which is they come with your condensed glue gel 5G, and it's one of really awesome bestie I like, which is the precision glue and crystal pickers, and also is a tray and scoop. So it's everything for you to get a really perfect crystal placements. There. And now I'm using the bigger ones because this one I have all the time. Great. Okay, we're gonna come right back. Is that gonna be end soon? We're gonna come right back.
Yeah, we're back.
Hello Instagram, we're back now. Thank you so much for tuning right back with us. So it's cool. I really like this nails. Like all of them are really subtle, and then one is really like the main character right there. This one is just use alcohol and wipe it off. So I'm gonna using condensed glue gels. This is really thick density, and it's not gonna go anywhere. And
This one is
apply, blend it nicely. I'm gonna cap that. And no wipe top coat, of course. And just floating on the top. I'm not using it really simple. And here is super cute. Can I see that hands, please, Emily? Thank you. And I really like this one. Instead of put any crystals on it, I'm gonna do that one. It's like what shape you should say it? Like oval shape?
someone asked something. Okay. Nothing.
Marine. Do I say it right? I'm putting on the top of condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. Both of them are not key at all. Can I please see the other ones, Emily? We can do a separate one, but it's gonna be cool. That's oh nice. Okay, 3 of this. It look like a chains, but it's actually the frames, and I just put it together. Thank you, Emily. I'm gonna get a little hand arrow right there. Is you ladies been watching any movie lately? Any new movie that suggestions at all? Like from Netflix or
Easy.
big one.
That's cool.
And just tiny one right there. And right there. Great. And then maybe ones more, just tiny ones right there. On the frame. Like this nails is making up for the rest of them. Don't you think so? Charms by Charles. No, actually I put the condensed glue gels on. So top coat first, cure for 60 seconds. You want to make sure you cure 60 seconds. Don't cure 15 or 30 seconds, because if you're not completely cure, full cure, it might smear your pigment. So I always doing it 60 seconds, cure first, and then you apply the gel painting, then you apply your pigments. And after that, I'm going to condensed glue gels. Don't cure condensed glue gel yet. Go to the no wipe top coat, and then now I'm place everything on it. Then now I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds.
Yep, they asked for what's the color for sure. That's just neon.
The neon collections. There's several different ones. I just have like 4 or 5 of them mixing over here. It's really cool. There's like the lover, and then they have best friends, all different colors of it. But the one, the raindrop one that you have, that I have it on Emily, one that it was from the anniversary kit. So now let me move it on the side. I'm gonna go in one of really cool crystal best friends, because this one is just really saved me so much like, how do I say, headaches from all the crystal if it coming off, because she might catch that with her hair or her clothes. So I'm going to doing a little simple exam right here and feel scratchy right here. Then I just squeeze just a little bit in. Just each time, like you just squeeze just a little bit, just a little. Precision glue is go a long way.
Yes, they asked if the pigment is on sale. I think it is, yes.
The pigment, yes, all the pigment is all the specials is the product. Most of the products is going on. It's 25% on sale now, except the class, of course, and then the treasure box and anniversary kits. And one of the really cool kit is 30,000 followers custom made glitter kits. That one is so excited. I can't wait to do it. Like maybe we can do some tomorrow with the custom nails, like glue on and press on. So now I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds.